Okay, we're going to open up our discussion today looking at Chapter 44, which is Population Ecology. And our first objective is to describe the levels of biological organization and how ecology is essential to the success of each level. So let's start out by defining ecology. It's just the study of the interactions of the organisms with each other and with their physical environment. Another vocab term that you need to know is habitat. That's its address, where it lives. Population is all the individuals of a species that live in a particular space. For instance, all of the redbirds living in around Lake Eufaula, all of the frogs, and we're specific here, not just all frogs, but a certain species of frogs, all of the live oak trees around Lake Eufaula. So all of those are populations. Now a community is the different populations of the different species that interact with each other. Like around Lake Eufaula, you're going to have all sorts of frog species, and you're going to have plant species, you're going to have grasses and trees and different kinds of bushes, and you're going to have earthworms, and you're going to have snails and birds, different species of birds, all interacting with each other. Now, an ecosystem is the interactions of all of the species in a community, in an area, along with how they interact with the environment, like how they handle the amount of rainfall, or the wind, or the high temperatures. And then the biosphere is all of the different communities on Earth. It's the part of Earth that supports life. So this is kind of a hierarchy, starting out with the species, which is specific individuals. It's very specific, such as the human species. There's nothing else that's like us. We're all the same species. And then you've got the species that make up the population in an area, and all of the populations in that area make up the community, and how all of those populations in an area interact with the environment is the ecosystem, and all of the ecosystems all on Earth, that is the biosphere. And you can see we got this specific species of fish, that's the organism, and then you've got the population, which is all of the fish that live in that area of that species. The community, you see you got different kinds of fish there, and some different kinds of plant life that are in that area. And then the ecosystem is how all of those different species interact with each other and how they interact with the environment.